guest, principal, teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I wish you all very happy in this Freedom Day. My name is Muhammad Javed. I am a student of class 10. I belong to Darbhanga, Bihar. My topic is about freedom. What is freedom? Freedom is a fundamental human right, a cornerstone of democracy and the foundation upon which our society is built. It is the essence of our dignity and the driving force behind our aspiration and dreams. As we commemorate this day, let's reflect on what freedom means to us and how we can honor it in our daily life. Freedom also means the pursuit of knowledge and innovation. It always us to explore new ideas, challenge conventional wisdom and push the boundaries of what is possible. As we celebrate Freedom Day to us, remember the importance of education and intellectual freedom. It is thought, learning and critical thinking that we can continue to progress and solve the challenges of our time. On this Freedom Day, let's also honor the memory of those who sacrificed their lives for our freedom. Their bravery and dedication paved the way for the liberties we enjoy today. It is our duty to preserve their legacy by upholding the value of freedom, democracy and the human right. In conclusion, Freedom Day is a celebration of our past achievement and a call to action for the future. Let's cherish our freedom, protect it and use it to create a society that is inclusive, just and prosperous for all. Assalamu alaikum.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.